up, guys? We're heading to an accident over here on 332, kind of over near between Lake Jackson and Brazoria. There's 2 vehicle accidents. I know one of them's in the ditch. One has really heavy rear end damage. One has really heavy front end damage. I know we're getting a blue Chevy car, I believe. Not sure what kind. I think ours had the heavy front end damage. So we're heading that way. We'll be over there shortly. Ooh. It's raining and storming real bad right now, and this section of road's always real bad whenever the weather gets bad. So we'll be over there shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, we're pulling up here. See one car off in the ditch over there. I know they said they had the westbound lane, which is this lane here, shut down. Not sure where ours is. Hit on scene here.
99 Jefferson.
Pull up over here and see which one they have us for. Got here. Ooh. How's it going? Which one you got me for? They said a blue Chevy, I believe.
Blue Chevy.
This one, that one right there? Okay. We'll walk up here and take a look at it real quick.
All right.
Hopefully my camera's not getting all wet. I think I'm here for this one. They said blue Chevy, so I'm assuming. It looks like a blue Chevy to me.
Yeah, 'cause that's mine.
Yeah.
So, got three ones in the car. 3 of them in the car.
Okay.
Okay, you got the number. Number and
Get some pictures real quick. It's not.
4. Make that 4 people.
4 people? Okay. Well, I'm not gonna be able to give them a ride. I got a single cab truck, so we're not all gonna fit.
He's gonna take your car, the record. Do you have a ride? Did you call anybody? Also or no? Yeah. You already called him? You on the way? Where you coming from? Down there, Casa. Victoria? Does he come in? What does he drive? Do you know what he drives? What does his husband drive? What does his dad drive?
I'm gonna go ahead and pull up real quick. Turn on my guardian angle. Maybe people can see me. We've got a bunch of people in the car. Fortunately, I'm not gonna be able to give them a ride. We'll go ahead and pull up down there once the road gets clear.
All right.
All right. It does have fairly heavy front end damage. That one corner's pretty crunched. That one wheel is hanging off. I have to end up sliding it around a little bit. Try to get over a little bit more here. That'll work right there, I believe. remote. Gonna need my neck light. Neck light on so everybody can see. Need him to get out of the car here soon. Oh, he's still in the ditch. My guardian angels on. Having the guardian angel on is a big thing out here in this weather. We need them to get out soon. There's even anything for me to, yeah. Grab the control arm here. Get my snatch block hooked up here. Likely gonna have to slide this one around a little bit. The ride is here. Now I'm going to hook it up like this. That way it keeps my cable in line with the winch. Sure. You get the keys? Get the keys for the car? The key? Yes. Okay. You need any of this, or I'm just gonna take just the car key off. Let you keep the rest of this. Then, if you would, just have a step over there, and I'll get this loaded up. Good. Oh, watch your feet. Oh. It probably won't close because of the wheel. That wheel is gonna not want to cooperate. Cars in park because that one CV axle is busted. It's not going to act like it's in park, so I'm gonna have to jump my blocks around a little bit here. Get it to slide over for me. There we go. Let's see what this side's doing. side's definitely not gonna spin. It won't close.
Okay.
It's just that if that fender's got it caught, I have to drag it over my block here. So we don't have to worry about it rolling away on us. And I'm going to set the parking brake if it's not already engaged. That'll help slide it a little bit. Go ahead and hook this around the other side. Give a little more pull this direction. My hooks came off, which is fine. Now I can hook this side here. In the meantime, just to get it pulled around. There's J&M. So I get that tire facing right there on the bed. So I can get my block underneath. It'll slide it right over. I'm going to watch this side here so that it doesn't catch anything. I have to.
Hey, what's happening, bud?
What's up? Fancy meeting you here.
I know, bud.
That's my buddy Zane. Pull my bed out a little bit there. Move my snatch block over. That way I can position it a little better. Recognize Zane from the Tacoma video a while back. And jump my block back a little bit here. Yeah, it's just catching the edge of the bed there. Right. Stop. Let it roll this way a little bit. Now that it's square, watch this side now. Gonna take us that way because I don't have it hooked up evenly. yoke on this side so it squares up. Get an even pull on her. Now that we're on the bed, get my soft bridle move back around here. Yeah. Can't really see what I'm doing here. Trying to grab inside of the arm there so that it pulls even. Should slide all that over away from the bed rail. Nice and easy up. Just like that. We have our e-brake set because this will not go into park because of that CV axle being torn out. The other tire just free spins. Go ahead and get us some straps on her. See if J&M needs any help getting that thing out. I'm sure they have it. They have some good operators over there. Always like to check with them and make sure they're good before I burn off. Put my remote up. Didn't see any cleanup anywhere. I don't know what that is laying in the middle of the road back there. We'll go check that out. Jack or something back there in the middle of the road. Probably use this strap to steer this wheel straight. Steering is connected on this one or not. Really check to see. Feels like it's in a pretty good bind there. Put my block back up here. And was there any cleanup anywhere or anything? Just that little bit there? Okay. Looks like there's a jack or something in the shoulder right there. Is that somebody's or?
No, it was all on this one.
It was on that one? Okay. Cool.
So in front of his truck, that's about it.
That's about it? Okay. They good? Alright, appreciate it guys. What's that? Say that again? It's gonna go to, this is South End, ain't it?
Yeah.
It'll go to 13082 Angleton.
288B?
288B, yes sir.
Gotcha. I'll let you get. Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Make sure he's got it over there. You good, man? You need any help?
No, I got it.
Got it? The info. What's up?
They called me out here?
What do y'all?
They called me out here too for that car.
For that one?
Is there a third car? No, that's it. You're gonna take it though, I mean.
They told me blue Chevy, so
No, I know, yeah.
I got the only blue Chevy I see. That's messed up.
Oh well.
I'd be calling like, yo, maybe put us back up. Yeah.
Nah, it's what is it?
All right. Well, so I'm gonna get out of here. See y'all. Oh, get all the lights turned off here. That's weird. They called 3 records for 2 cars. See what traffic is doing here. Get turned around, head back towards the yard. Alright, we're back at Angleton Yard. Gonna get this thing unloaded. Woohoo! Get my Guardian Angel turned on here. Neck light. My Donnie's wreckers here. Thing unstrapped. And see if I can't get that one wheel there to straighten up for us. If not, I'll block it and slide it. We had quite the thunderstorm roll through here this evening. I got caught out working in it right when it first hit, and then this rotation came up. Luckily, by the time we had to get out and work on this one, the worst of it had passed by. We didn't get too wet trying to load this thing up. Grease spots all down the bed from the CV axles, it looks like. Try to secure that door. Who is calling me? Hello? Alright, go ahead and get this thing unloaded here. We got her all unstrapped. Go ahead and turn the parking brake off. We don't need to slide it around anymore. Try to straighten up this driver's side wheel if I can. Hopefully the steering isn't too jammed. Put the key in the ignition for this one. Alright, parking brake is released. Let's see if it will. about straight. We have to strap the wheel to get it to hold still for us. It'll click in. For that side, it looks like. Where's the seat adjustment on this thing? See a seat adjustment on it, but that'll at least hold it a little bit. Pop it and clank it over there. Step over here on this side so we can watch it. See if the resistance will allow it to roll the rest of the way off, like it should. Not gonna go perfectly straight, but that's alright. Bed out from underneath it a little bit here. And get to my hooks. Get that corner real good. Side is door sagging real hard. Like I said, pulled that hinge down. Let's secure that. Plenty of room back here. Hook off of this side. Pull my cable over so I can get to it. Oh. Get to this thing without getting totally wet. That. All right, got that one unloaded. Thankfully, it looks like at least the occupants of our vehicle were uninjured. I'm not sure about the occupants of the other vehicle. Didn't see any ambulances or anything there, and I was listening to the scanner the entire time, listening to the wreck. I didn't hear anything about injuries or EMS needed or anything, so assuming everybody's good, but keep them in your thoughts and prayers there. Now, you know, people are down a vehicle and stuff and gonna have trouble getting around everything now. So got this one unloaded. We'll be ready for whatever comes next. Thanks for watching, guys.